What's going on, guys? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got a bargain bike special, a 2015 Harley Davidson Street Glide. This one's got the charcoal denim paint, and she does have some bumps and bruises. Low mileage though, around 2,400 miles. Biggest damage is going to be on the right side saddlebag. Let me get out of the sun here. You can see it's got a sizable scuff on the bottom side. It's got some scuff marks on the latch right there, and there's a few little marks on this top ridge. A couple of scuffs on this fairing right here on the outer edge. Other than that, didn't see much else. I think there was one or two small, not even scuffs or anything, they're just little white marks. But we're gonna sell this one as is. We test rode it, got it cleaned up, made sure it passed the Texas State inspection. It's got a brand new Michelin Commander 2 tire on the front that we just put on. Bike runs perfect. Again, 2,400 miles, just broken in. It's got the 103-inch fuel injected twin cam 6-speed transmission. The 15 model's got the one-touch saddlebag latches. It's also got the vent up in the fairing, electronic cruise control. Good tire on the rear. All the chrome looks good. It's got a heel toe shifter. Put on a battery tender pigtail for you. All the paint on the gas tank looks good. Chrome dash looks good. Really just the saddlebag there. It's got some different style mirrors. It's a good bargain bike. 2,413 miles. If you'd like to know more about it, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can check out our website at cleanharleys.com and see our full inventory. We offer excellent finance and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all around the world. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.